Hi folks, Ron Marlowe here with you from Wired for You. I'm going to show you a little wire bending technique. It's pretty simple, but it should be shown to you. Makes your life a little easier and you get a little better at wire bending. Okay, I'm going to take a little piece of scrap here. It's square wire. It's half hard. It's sterling silver. Standard wire I work in. This is a set of chain nose pliers. Okay, chain nose pliers, if you are instructed to make a soft corner or soft bend, this is how you do it. You just bend the wire up. If you are instructed to make a hard bend, fold the wire such that it overlaps itself, and then spread that bend outward against the angle so that you get a sharper point. So again, this one here is a soft bend, and the one beside it is a hard bend. Easy enough? Okay. One more pro tip coming out of me this morning. Here we go. These are a set of Lindstrom flat nose pliers of number 7490. Excellent little plier. However, it has one little fallback that I have to put into the pliers myself. If you were to make a cross, and here we go, let's grab a couple of these little snowflake crosses, and look at this cross. One, we've made a hard bend here, and we've made a soft bend in the corner, just so you're aware of it. But you need some way of making each piece equidistant while you're making it so that your cross looks correctly in its proportions. Take your flat nose pliers, or if you have a set of junkers, and take a bastard file and cut a small angle into each segment. I've made these a 1/4 inch wide over the years. Simple. Take your pliers, cut a 1/4 inch gap in there. Use those as your guides. When you're working on something like this little piece, you can figure out how long that angle was there by using the gauges, and then go the opposite direction and fold the same bend. This gives you your distance, and the same thing goes on your soft angles. If you have to use the full width of the pliers, that's cool. But if you need to use a smaller, shorter segment, you can use your pliers, say, okay, that was 1/4 inch, that was a 1/2 inch. And this helps you out with your work being more exact. All right. I'll have a little video on how to make this snowflake cross. Some people call it a praying cross also because of the way the hands come up around the center of it. All right. This has been Ron Marlowe again with Wired for You. Hope this tech tip helps you a little bit. Makes your wire bending a little sharper and you're a better artist.